Hey folks, I'm over here in Florida and we're going to restore this headlight for my pal Nikki. She's here working and I'm in the parking lot of her work, and we're going to fix her car headlight. As you can see, in the hot Florida sun you get this yellow, hazy, crackling stuff, and this is going to be repaired with the Beam Bright Headlight Restoration Kit you can buy on Amazon, your local stores. This is 3 easy steps, folks. It comes with the masking tape, as you can see this, so to protect your car, and it comes with the gloves. And we've got 3 easy steps, so let's start with step number 1. This is the oxidation wipe, and this is your step number 1. This is going to remove all that nasty, yellowing, hazy stuff that we have over here. You just take that out, and you're going to use this on the wipe of the car, and we're going to start in forward sweeping motion from front to back. Look at that. Right off the bat, this is working. Look at that. Just junk from years and years of... Got a little bird poo on there too, and that's removing that as well too. Look at that, folks. That's what just came off this car. Look at that. That's just nasty. As you can see, that's doing a bang-up job. You always want to have a spray bottle of water as well to use, so you can have that as well, because you want to keep the headlight wet for step number 2, which is we're going to use our sanding pads. Step 2 is you're going to take the number 2000 pad out, and you're going to put it to this one. Again, this is included in your kit. And we're just going to put it over there, make sure the headlight's wet, and we're going to rub in a circular motion. There's really no need to put a heck of a lot of muscle into this. You don't need it. Let the pad do the work for you. You just keep it wet through your sanding process. Now this headlight is going to look like it's getting cloudy. Musty. That's okay. It's part of the process. So when this starts clouding up on you, don't fear, because that's part of the deal. We're going to take off the number 2 pad, and we're going to put on now the 3000 pad, as you can see over here. Right on the disc, again, which is supplied to you. So 2000 first, then the 3000 pad, and we're going to do the same thing with that pad. Look at that. You can see all this gunk and gook coming off of it. This works pretty cool. And again, folks, this is only going to take a few minutes to do this. And as you can see, we're protecting the paint with this tape just to protect the car. And now we're going to wipe it dry. You want to make sure the headlight is wiped dry before you put on step number 3. We've only been doing this right now for a few minutes, folks. That's it. Make this nice and dry. There we go. Look at that. We're going to put on the ceramic coating right now. Watch what this does. And again, like I said, it may be a little cloudy, but you're going to take out your wipe, and you're going to do the same thing and wipe it in a direction, one over the top, one layer over the top. Look at that. Look at how nice and clear that is. And that, as they say, is it. And look, still some more of that oxidation came off. But look how nice that is. Folks, that's the headlight we just finished. This is her other headlight we're going to do next. Look at the difference. You can see the difference of the headlight. Look how nasty and foggy that is. And that's the headlight we just did. Beam Bright. Brilliance in every ride, folks.